guys, I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to Mumbai and we are going for shopping. As my brother is getting married in November, so बहुत सारी shopping करनी है. Bhabhi is also here, so stay tuned for this vlog.
सो बचपन में जब भी हम टनल से पास करते थे, वी हैड दिस ट्रेडिशन, एंटायर फैमिली गाड़ी में बैठ के जोर से वू करके चिल्लाती थी. सो इट वॉज अ क्वाइट एन अमेजिंग नॉस्टैल्जिक मेमोरी टुडे. एंड दिस टाइम व्हेन वी पास थ्रू लोनावला, ओ माय गॉड, इतना ज़्यादा फॉग था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल व्यू था, बहुत ज़्यादा. So as soon as we cross Lonavala, there's this big food mall on the left hand side जहाँ पे हम हमेशा रुकते हैं for breakfast. There are like two options. One is if you want to have South Indian, you have South Indian like उडुपी to मुंबई में, या फिर हमारा favorite OG breakfast अगर वड़ा पाव खाना है तो श्री दत्त का वड़ा पाव. सो श्री दत्त वॉज फर्स्ट लोकेटेड समवेयर एल्स, मतलब इसी के बाजू में ओल्ड श्री दत्त है, बट अभी उसका न्यू वर्जन इस फूड मॉल में शिफ्ट हुआ है. सो हम आए हैं यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. श्री दत्त की कोथंबीर वड़ी वर्ल्ड फेमस है, एवरी टाइम वी कम हम वो लेते ही है. एंड टुडे वी आर हैविंग साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट वड़ा पाव, जो मेरा पहला प्यार है. वॉशरूम के मिरर का फुल फ़ायदा उठाते हुए ट्राइंग टू बी प्रोफेशनल ब्लॉगर. नेवर माइंड, दिस कैंडी इज़ द बेस्ट ट्रैवल कैंडी. After a nice breakfast, we just had a good sleep and now we are about to reach Mumbai. Let's see आज क्या क्या शॉप करना है and क्या क्या नहीं. ये दोनों अभी भी सो रहे हैं and I'm just enjoying the weather and we have reached BKC. very 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 beautiful area. सारे banks है इस area में. This is called as Bombay Kurla Complex, I guess. Road journey and jamming over songs is my favorite thing to do. We have finally reached Mumbai. Now we are parking our car in the parking and now we take taxis, authentic yellow and black taxis, and we'll go shopping. And these are the streets of Mumbai. So the first place we've come is in Kalba Devi and we are going to shop his clothes today firstly. So here we are at Mavir Next and we are going to shop. हम तो बहुत जल्दी आ गए. People are still opening their shop. Actually ना शॉप्स में अलाउड नहीं होता है वीडियो निकालना, तो मैं चुपके से व्लॉग कर रही थी. And his trials are going on right now. Are you excited for shopping? Are you? ओ वड़ा पाव. मुंबई की सड़कें. चलो लेट्स गो. How happy you are, Poo Bhabhi, after finalizing one up. Very happy. Great success. I hope I am audible. So far it's going good. We finalized one main dress of my bhabhi and अब matching dresses तो करेंगे. So we've come here at Raj Kamal here and we're going to finalize dresses. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, when my brother was just trying his outfits, हम लोग थोड़ा snack कर रहे थे. After the trials were done from Kalba Devi, now we are going to Crawford Market. A quick update guys, abhi it is like around 2:30 in the afternoon and we started shopping at around like 10:30ish and now it's like around 4 hours and we still are shopping. We finalized 2 main dresses जो groom और bride के होते हैं and so far it's going good but I'm bored because मेरी shopping नहीं है कुछ भी. So but still यार करना पड़ता है. Also I'm very lucky right now because Bombay's weather थोड़ा अच्छा है and also हम पूरा टाइम से इसी वाले showrooms and malls में घूम रहे हैं for the shopping.
So I'm saved because मैंने पहना है स्वेट शर्ट, वरना वाट लग जाती. Now we are heading towards having lunch. And for lunch, we always prefer going to Bhagat Tarachan whenever we are in Bombay. This is the Bhagat Tarachan जहाँ पे हमें जाना है और यहाँ पे खतरनाक वाली वेडिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा. हम खाना खाने आए. आप दोनों थके नहीं शॉपिंग करके? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. गॉड.
भगत ताराचंद की फेमस पापड़ की चूरी एंड बटर मिल्क एंड बटर मार के खाना, सो बहुत ही टेस्टी होता है. आफ्टर वी फिनिश आवर लंच वी वेंट टू क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट जहाँ पे अशोक चाट सेंटर इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर भेलपुरी एंड पानीपुरी, एंड there's one samosa center called as Char Bujaji Samosa which is world famous.
It's 5 o'clock and we are 4:30. It's 4:30. Okay, it's 4:30 and we are done with half of the shopping. Now we are going to Ville Parle and there's this shop called as RV. So we are gonna go and we're gonna shop few things there. मुंबई में shopping is very difficult, but यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी मिलती है. So we are just waiting for a taxi to come. I guess that's our taxi. So let's go.
अल्फ़ा 1 to अल्फ़ा 5 there are 5 different big shops जहाँ पे सारे होलसेल चीज़ें मिलती है. You must visit it. It's in Ville Parle. The categories are like cosmetics, mobile shopping and etc. what not.
This is how crazy Mumbai is.
And obviously Mumbai and traffic, they are like best friends.
It's 7:30 right now. We are here at Ville Parle and one last stop for left for the shopping. So it's a quick Frankie break and I'm going to have Frankie and my parents and others are having sandwich. Last shop, but we still are keeping hopes high and just checking कि कुछ मिल रहा है नहीं. सबसे ज़्यादा तो ये इंसान, मेरा भाई, ये इंसान फुल एकदम प्रेशर में तंग आ गया है.
Even after the entire shop was empty, सारे लोग चले गए थे, हम फिर भी शॉपिंग कर रहे थे. It is crazy.
Guys, Marwadi sarees are a big headache. We have been shopping since 10 AM and right now it is 10 PM. 12 घंटे से शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, फिर भी अभी तक शॉपिंग खत्म नहीं हुई and it is crazy. We are the last one in the entire shop and we are still shopping. All the best to us. दूल्हे की हालत देखो, शादी के पहले ही is wearing पू भाभी की शादी. My dad, he has gone crazy. हम अभी भी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. बाबा, what's the situation? This ladies has made us crazy.
And you are the last one to leave the shop.
Now we are at Maruti Pav Bhaji and we are going to have Kali Pav.
This pav bhaji in Ville Parle is very famous for Kali pav bhaji and pulao.
Cheers to an amazing day. This was it for the vlog, guys. I hope you liked it. Had an amazing day, superb day. बहुत सारी shopping की, not मेरी, but भैया और भाभी की. So if you all like the vlog, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. I come up with a vlog every week and this was it about Mumbai's vlog. Also, Isha says, हंसते रहो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Thank you, bye.